Hi, to use the Nest system that we have set up in the units, it's for the central air. So what you're gonna do is you simply tap on the side, it's gonna open a menu, and you just slide your finger up and down the menu. You literally just slide it. There's no roller, or you just slide and it senses your finger. And then if you wanna turn it off, you can hit there. If you wanna turn it on, so you select the mode. And then if you want the heater, if you want, there's the heat, here's cool. So in this case, if you're gonna turn on the air, you select it there, and then you lower, you raise it, you do this to lower, and then what's gonna do, for example there, and then you let it go, it'll automatically adjust the central air to cool the unit to 69 degrees. If this is what you're looking for. If you want the heat, obviously, you would go back to the menu, you would go back into here, and you would select mode, and then you would then select heat there, and then you would raise your temperature accordingly. Okay, so that's kind of how this works, so that way you have a familiarity.